What if I told you one of the ancestors of modern computing was invented to weave silk? Not in a laboratory, not in the Industrial Revolution, in ancient China. Silk weaving in China goes back thousands of years. Archaeological evidence from the Yangtze River Delta shows that silk production existed long before the Common Era. Chinese legend credits this discovery to Lei Zhu, wife of the Yellow Emperor, who supposedly watched a silkworm cocoon unravel into a fine thread after falling into her tea. Whether the story is true or not, silk quickly became one of the most valuable materials on Earth. At first, Chinese looms were simple, hand-operated frames that could only produce basic fabrics. But as silk became tied to wealth, ritual, tribute, and political power, the technology evolved. Then came the breakthrough, the draw loom. Developed during the Han Dynasty, the Chinese draw loom changed weaving completely. Instead of lifting threads manually one by one, the loom used cords and heddles arranged in precise sequences. One worker operated the shuttle below while another controlled the pattern system above. That allowed weavers to create incredibly detailed repeating patterns, dragons, phoenixes, geometric brocades, and multicolored silk designs that earlier looms could never produce. And this is where it becomes fascinating. The loom was effectively storing instructions mechanically. The pattern was built into the cord arrangement and executed row by row, almost like an early programmable system. By the Tang Dynasty, Chinese silk weaving had become so advanced that its fabrics stunned foreign markets across the Silk Road, from Central Asia to Byzantium. China guarded the secrets of silk production fiercely for centuries, but eventually the knowledge spread west. Then, in 1804, the Jacquard loom automated pattern control using punched cards. Those punched cards later influenced Charles Babbage's analytical engine, one of the ancestors of modern computing. A machine built to weave silk ended up helping shape the logic behind programmable technology itself.